is 324. No, that was the square. Yeah, did I square that right? Yes. 324. 324 minus 4 times 60, which is 240. So, let's get that. Subtracting 240. That leaves me with 84. 84 is greater than 0. We have a solution. So now I'm going to use the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now I already know b squared minus 4ac is 84. So I'm going to write x equals negative b, so negative 18, plus or minus the square root of 84 all over 2 times 1. Evaluating that out, square root of 84 is 12 times 7. 12 is 4 times 3. So this is a positive 18 plus or minus the square root of 2 square roots of 21 over 2, or 9 plus or minus the square root of 21, because the 2 cancels out here and here. In the context of the class, we actually have to do the math out, so we need to calculate 9 plus the square root of 21. 21 square root. So that equals 13.58. Or x equals 9 minus the square root of 21. Clear. 9 minus 21 square root equals 4.42. Okay? Now let's look at the next example. We've got A equaling 1, B equals negative 100, C equals 32. So b squared is negative 100 squared minus 4 times a times 32. This is 10,000? Yeah, 10,000 minus whatever 32 times 4 is. I don't know how to do mental math. 2 times 4 was 128. So 10,000 minus 128 equals 9,872. That is greater than or equal to 0, so we know it works. So x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. That gives me negative 100 plus or minus the square root of 9872 divided by 2 times 1. So positive 100 plus or minus the square root of 9872 all over 2. I'm just going to go ahead and throw that right in the calculator. I'm going to find the square root of that. 99.36. So this is 100 plus or minus 99.36 divided by 2. So plus 100 divided by 2. That gives me 99.68. Or it's going to be very close to 0. 100 minus 99.36 divided by 2 is 0.32. So those are my solutions. These are also my x-intercepts, or where the graph hits my x-axis. So if I had a graph of a parabola, which looks like a U, either upside down or positive, our x-intercepts are where these things are equaling 0, and that is what we are actually finding.